Hi, I'm Dr. McLean, and this is Goodlettsville Smiles. Welcome. Come on back. I'll show you around.
The new space is awesome. You walk in with the lighting in here, the decor, it's a very modern feel, but a very welcoming feel.
So our wood accents had to have it. I think this is like the focal point.
They've got the massaging chair, and I laid back and I almost went to sleep. You know, this is like being in a spa.
This is our sterilization. This is where we keep everything clean. We go from here to there, making sure all things are sterilized. So we love this open and fresh, airy space.
This new facility is first class, new equipment, and the people that are here know how to use the equipment. That's important.
Our digital scanners makes things so much easier. We also have a 3D digital cone beam x-ray system, and we also utilize our intraoral cameras. So our patients can see exactly what we see.
It definitely has Dr. McLean's touch. Everything is so streamlined, it's neat. It has a very clean look.
We've created an office vibe that is light and airy, open, very relaxing. We want our patients to feel at home and at peace.
There's lots of detail that have gone into the space. It's a modern, beautiful office that everyone will enjoy.
We are locally owned and operated. We are in a beautiful new space, but we are the same Goodlettsville Smiles.